Okay, we're back. Let's get this seat in, and we're done.
We were actually just watching the V8s. There was a big crash.
Was.
It was very intense.
2 Camaros out.
Which is kind of a good thing.
Always a good thing when those Chevs crash. Alright.
Look how merciful you are.
Turn this over. Alright, so see this little locating pin?
Yeah.
That's got to go in that little oval hole there.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so then we can get our bolt through there, at the bottom, and that one through there, and then we've got the same on this side.
Okay.
Alright, so we'll try and roll that over. That's it, push it over. That's it, perfect. And that one that way. And we'll just lock that in. That's job done. On in there. So same thing. Just get a start with your hand. On there. Do you want me to get a start on these two? And you can do the fun bit.
Yeah.
There.
Okay.
That one's a bit tough. There we go. Alright.
Okay.
Get your rattle gun.
Does this fit? Let's say yeah.
Yeah. So what you got to do, so put it back on there again like you had it. Oh, there you go. You did it. Alright. Rattle it up. Go. Give it you got to give it some pressure.
Wait.
So, if it won't go on like that, well, you have it.
And of course it fits in.
Alright, you just turn it by hand until you feel it click on. And then,
Is that one good now?
yeah, that one's tight.
Okay. We've got this one.
Yeah, it's on. You good? Get some pressure. Right. Give it another one. Perfect. These two.
I like this one.
I'll get the plastic covers to go on.
Is that?
Yep. That's it. Give it another one. Don't be scared.
Another one?
No, that's good. Good, do the other one? Yep. That's it. Job done.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Alright.
Just like these little lemon squeezies.
So it's just check, make sure. Watch yourself.
Move back.
That's it.
There's all the hair filled in there.
Oh, excellent.
And sand.
Cool.
Cool. And some of my hair, but we don't talk about that part. Okay, and then those bits will cover up this.
Yep.
Okay. And then let me guess, we're gonna smash it down.
Well, this one, if you have a look at it, right, it's got these locating tabs. So these, that one, goes inside there. And then that one and that one will go clip over there. So these have just got to go that way. So you just got to smash it on.
Thought so.
So just give it a...
That's a hard
That's
angle.
it. That's it.
The
Okay,
hard angle's
this
the
one's a
one
little
that's-
bit different. That one's broken. But you've got one here and one on the top. So, and that little one here. So these ones, and also those little locating ones. This one needs to go on inside, like down first. Inside there. Once you get it down, sits nice. You can see these all lining up.
Yep.
Then you go in.
Oh, can I go?
Yep.
Oh. So first things first. To go like this.
Yep. You got to. No, you got to keep it down. That's it. Right. Then. Perfect. Look at that. Job done.
Boom. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
All right. Now we just got to clean up our mess.
Yep.
So let's clean this up and we'll get the last mat in. Thanks, Till.